Okay. Good afternoon, Caroline. Okay, Caroline, what's the weather in your country?
It's hot and sunny.
Okay, it's hot. The same here. It's very hot and it's sunny. The weather is humid. Really, it's not good. The weather is not good. It's hot. Okay. So, how are you today? What is your event, Caroline? Did you go somewhere or no?
No, just I'm about to hang out with my family. When I finish this lesson, I'll hang out with my family.
Okay. So you will hang out with your family. So where are you going?
Hmm, I'll go into, yeah, I don't know. My parents is keep. I think I just go somewhere,
Okay, you will go
possibly.
somewhere. Okay. So where is it? Today is Sunday. So you can go anywhere you want, right? You can go in another places. Okay, you can have actually here here actually the weather is not good. But then yesterday, Caroline, I went to Jillian's event in the mall. She's having her modeling. I know, Candy. It's fashion show. We go there like it's been one day. It's really tiring, Caroline. I feel so tired yesterday. So now let us talk developing nine. Let us talk about travel since we are talking about travel. Okay, a minute na. Teacher is trying to download this one. Just a minute, Caroline. I will download first. I forgot I downloaded it already. Okay, I will share it to you now. Okay, I'm talking to you, or we are going to talk about traveling. So everyone does travel. We love to travel, right? Kaloyan? Okay, if I will ask you, what is your most dream country that you want to travel in the future? When you grow up, you have money. Okay, what country?
What?
What country, Caroline?
I think is China.
Okay, it's China.
Yes, I want to hang out. Is I want to go
You want to go China. Why do you like China? China is just near in Vietnam. It's Southeast Asian. It's a Southeast Asian country. We belong to Southeast Asian countries.
wait a minute.
Okay. So China, it's why do you like China? Of all country, why you don't like America, Switzerland? Why you don't like it?
Because I like the national.
Oh, okay. But China is Chinese and you're Vietnamese, right? So I guess I don't know if you have the same faith, religions, or culture. I don't know yet. Okay, so you know what? When I've got the money, I really want to go to Switzerland. It's my dream place, England. That's my dream place, Caroline. I really love there. I love the mountains. I love the places. But I know that living in that place is very expensive. The cost of living in Switzerland is very expensive. It's really expensive. But of
Yes.
course, I really want to go there someday. But of course, it needs a lot of money, Caroline. Money. Okay, so you can see in the picture, Caroline, we're talking here traveling. Look at the view. Is it amazing?
Yes.
Oh, do you know how to swim? Do
Hmm.
you know how to swim?
What?
Do you know how to swim?
No?
Oh, mm, it's okay. So teacher Anne doesn't know how to swim too. It's hard for me, so that's why I feel this. Oh my God, it's nice. But maybe if I know how to swim, I'm gonna join this one. But of course, this one, it's so, my God, it's really, really fascinating.
Yeah.
Look at here, slang vocabulary. Okay. So we have museums, we have concert, and we have vacation. Okay, wait me, Caroline, ha? So we have museums, we have concert, and we have vacations. Okay, so this one, it entails vacations. They're traveling via yacht, and they have the museum, and they have the concert. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we have here the use of simple past tense. Okay, usage and example. Usage, it means to express completed action in the past. Okay, to describe a series of completed actions in the past. Tagas kay Sunday. Okay. To describe a series of completed action, express habits in the past. Okay. So of course, what we know is when we try to look at with past tense, there is ed like played, amused, watch. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So these are examples. To express completed action in the past, I saw a ghost last Friday. So past tense. Okay. I saw a ghost last Friday. To describe a series of completed action in the past, I finished work, walk to the beach, and found a nice place to swim. Okay.
Okay.
Express habits in the past. When I was young, I watched lots of televisions every day after school.
Oh.
Okay. For stated verbs, I think, believe, know, dislike, need, owe, and wish. Okay.
Okay.
He had a small cottage in the woods. You have here stated verbs like the be verb, the word had. Okay. So all of this, regardless of the word or the verb that you use, Caroline, these are all indicated that it is already finished. It is already happened in the past. Okay. They were friends. She worked yesterday. They were in France. She didn't work yesterday. Okay.
Okay.
So plus positive. Okay. Negative was not or were not. Questions? Was there? Or were they? Were they because they is plural. Was he? Okay, it's singular. Okay. So please in here, these are the 50 most common irregular verbs. So it means irregular, you don't need to use ed, Caroline. Okay, like awake, awoke, awaken. Okay, be, was or were, and been. Okay, these are irregular. So you don't need to put ed. You have to change the spelling. Okay. This year, choose the correct answer. They blank. What do you think the answer for this one? You can put a check, Caroline, if you want, to the correct answer.
They won't catch.
Mm-hmm. They, answer is?
They won't.
Didn't catch. It's past tense, yesterday. Okay? Number 2. So,
Came.
Caroline?
Came.
Yes. My sister brought home last night. Late last night. Sorry, Caroline. Teacher Ann is eating. I'm hungry, Caroline. Okay, go. My sister brought home late last night. What is the answer?
Came.
Okay. Came, correct. Came is the past tense of come. My father blank tired when I blank home. Father singular.
My father was got.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
A.
Oh, my father, singular father, was, okay, let us see. Okay, was, and of course, past tense tired, so you have to use got. This is the past tense of, okay, past tense of get. Okay, 4.
D. What did you do?
Correct. What did you do 2 days ago? Remember that when you use did, of course, the next verb will be present tense, not past tense. So you will not say, what did I did? It is not correct. 5.
C.
Stacy, where did your family go on summer holiday last year? Correct. Okay, yay. Okay,
D.
again, the rules is did, and of course, you will settle for go. Okay, please try to listen this about traveling. Okay, you can hear a manager, I guess this manager or director traveling.
Well, hello, Dr. Anderson. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
How was your trip to London?
It was fine, thank you.
Did you visit lots of museums?
No, I didn't visit any.
Did you eat in some good restaurants?
No, I ate in the same bad restaurant every day.
Did you see any plays or concerts?
No, but I watch TV in the hotel room at night.
Did you take some nice walks around London?
Actually, no. I sat in a chair for 4 days.
Dr. Anderson, that doesn't sound like a very nice vacation.
Vacation? I went to London for business, not for vacation. I met doctors from all over the world. We talked about new medicines, and I gave 2 speeches. I always ate at the hotel restaurant, so I actually never left the hotel.
But Dr. Anderson, you were in London and you didn't.
No, but it looks nice from the airplane.
Okay.
Okay.
So did you hear that? Okay, let us read the script. At least we will be sure. Okay, I am Marie and you will be Dr. Anderson. Okay, well, hello, Dr. Anderson. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
How was your trip to London?
It was fine. Thank you.
Did you visit lots of museums?
No, I didn't. I didn't visit anything.
Oh,
Any.
did you eat in some good restaurants?
No, I ate in the same bad restaurant every day.
Oh, did you see any plays or concerts?
No, but I watched TV in the hotel room at night.
Did you take some nice walks around London?
Actually, no. I sat in a chair for 4 days.
Dr. Anderson, that that doesn't sound like a very nice vacation.
Vacation. I went to London for business, not for vacation. I met doctors from all over the world. We talked about new medicines, and I gave two speeches. I always ate at the hotel restaurant, so I actually never left the hotel.
But Dr. Anderson, you were in London and you didn't see the city.
No, but I look nice from the airplane.
Okay, so where do you think Dr. Anderson traveling? He
Yes,
traveled it in where?
in London.
Mm-hmm. In London. So what do you think? Is he travel for vacations or no?
She traveled for the business.
Okay, for work purpose. Okay, so we have here. Let us have here the questions. You can write your answer, Caroline, on the questions on the chat box you want. Okay, so if you want to listen again, you can do it. But I will have to lesson one only and then answer. This is only a review. Ay.
Well, hello, Dr. Anderson. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
How was your trip to London?
It was fine, thank you.
Did you visit lots of museums?
No, I didn't visit any.
Did you eat in some good restaurants?
No, I ate in the same bad restaurant every day.
Did you see any plays or concerts?
No, but I watch TV in the hotel room at night.
Did you take some nice walks around London?
Actually, no. I sat in a chair for 4 days.
Dr. Anderson, that doesn't sound like a very nice vacation.
Vacation? I went to London for business, not for vacation. I met doctors from all over the world. We talked about medicines, and I gave 2 speeches. I always ate at the hotel restaurant, so I actually never left the hotel.
But, Dr. Anderson, you were in London and you didn't see the city.
No, but it looked nice from the airplane.
Hmm. Okay, so after that one, you can now answer Caroline.
Okay, wait me a sec. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So what did her feeling about the trip? It is Dr. Anderson. What do you think her feelings about the trip?
She's feeling fine.
Okay, she's feeling fine. Do you think she's happy?
Yes.
Did she go to any museums?
No. She actually no.
Okay. What does Dr. Anderson think about the restaurant she eats at every day?
She's feel bad. But yeah. She feel bad.
Why did she sit in a chair for 4 days?
Because um because she do it for works.
Because
Um
because he's having a
for
meeting
work.
or a seminar together with the other doctors. And what do you think they're talking about?
Yes.
What do you think Dr. Anderson and her co-doctors talk about?
They talk about medicines.
Okay, very good. They're talking about medicine. Who did Dr. Anderson meet in London and what was the subject of conversation?
The subject of conversation. She met doctors from all over the world and
Mm-hmm. Okay. She met a lot of doctors from all over the world. And what was the subject of conversations? And they are talking about medicine. Okay, right? Now we have
okay.
here, yes, they're talking about medicine. Which this have ever happened to you on vacation? Please try to check yes or no. Okay, you miss a flight. Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Someone stole your money. Yes or no?
Um There's someone stole my phone, not my money.
Oh,
But
really? It's real?
yes,
And then what happened?
I lost my phone. Yes.
Oh, where did your phone stole? In the airport or where? In the street?
In a trip.
Yeah, in the
To
trip. You didn't know?
yes.
Oh my God. Okay. You lost your wallet? No.
No.
You lost your passport? Of course, no.
Yes. I didn't have passport.
Your bags didn't arrive?
No too.
Okay, you got sick?
I got sick. Yes.
Okay. So you ran out of money?
Yes, but my brother is giving me the money. So
Uh, your brother or father?
my brother,
How old is your brother, Caroline?
my brother is 17.
17. Okay. So you're not running out of money now. Okay. Please, like Cindy is talking about her vacations. Please listen and number the pictures. What happened? Okay.
Unit 24. Travel. Page 94. 2. Let's listen. Cindy is talking about her vacation. Listen and number the pictures.
So, how was your trip to San Francisco, Cindy?
Oh, pretty good, mostly.
Mostly?
Yeah, it started off okay. I did all the usual things. You know, I took a ride on the cable car. That was fun.
I know, I love the cable cars.
Then I looked around Chinatown. The food there is terrific.
Yeah.
Anyway, on my second day, I decided to rent a car. I wanted to get out of the city and look around.
Were you on your own?
Uh-huh. So first I drove across the Golden Gate Bridge and stopped to take some photos. Then I decided to drive out to Napa Valley.
Napa Valley?
Yeah, that's where they grow grapes to make wine. It's really beautiful, all green, great vineyards. Unfortunately, while I was driving, I had a slight accident.
Oh no, were you hurt?
No, but it was awful. I had to leave the car and take a taxi all the way back to the hotel. It cost me an arm and a leg.
Oh no, what a vacation.
Okay, did you hear that? Where is number one? Or one more?
Yeah, one more. Okay, listen.
Yes, yes.
Unit 24. Travel. Page 94. 2. Let's listen. Cindy is talking about her vacation. Listen and number the pictures.
So, how was your trip to San Francisco, Cindy?
Oh, pretty good, mostly.
Mostly?
Yeah, it started off okay. I did all the usual things. You know, I took a ride on the cable car. That was fun.
I know, I love the cable cars.
Then I looked around Chinatown. The food there is terrific.
Yeah.
Anyway, on my second day, I decided to rent a car. I wanted to get out of the city and look around.
Were you on your own?
Uh-huh. So first I drove across the Golden Gate Bridge and stopped to take some photos. Then I decided to drive out to Napa Valley.
Napa Valley?
Yeah, that's where they grow grapes to make wine. It's really beautiful, all green, great vineyards. Unfortunately, while I was driving, I had a slight accident.
Oh no, were you hurt?
No, but it was awful. I had to leave the car and take a taxi all the way back to the hotel. It cost me an arm and a leg.
Oh no, what a vacation.
Oh, can I listen again?
Okay, Caroline. It's fast, right?
Yeah, fast and hard.
Very fast.
Unit 24. Travel. Page 94. 2. Let's listen. Cindy is talking about her vacation. Listen and number the pictures.
So, how was your trip to San Francisco, Cindy?
Oh, pretty good, mostly.
Mostly?
Yeah, it started off okay. I did all the usual things. You know, I took a ride on the cable car. That was fun.
I know, I love the cable cars.
Then I looked around Chinatown. The food there is terrific.
Yeah.
Anyway, on my second day, I decided to rent a car. I wanted to get out of the city and look around.
Were you on your own?
Uh-huh. So first I drove across the Golden Gate Bridge and stopped to take some photos. Then I decided to drive out to Napa Valley.
Napa Valley?
Yeah, that's where they grow grapes to make wine. It's really beautiful, all green, great vineyards. Unfortunately, while I was driving, I had a slight accident.
Oh no, were you hurt?
No, but it was awful. I had to leave the car and take a taxi all the way back to the hotel. It cost me an arm and a leg.
Oh no, what a vacation.
Okay, you
I'm
can
there.
number now.
Okay,
Okay, what is number one? What letter?
number 1. B.
A, B. A, number 2.
Number 2. D.
3.
3. C.
4. It's letter E,
E.
4.
4. C.
It's A and 5.
5. F.
5 is C. Oh, you try to change 4 and 3 and 5. Okay, and last one is letter E is 6. I know it find hard because it is so fast, but I hear it really fast. Okay, so between several short holiday and one long holiday, Which one do you prefer, Caroline?
I prefer short holiday.
You prepare the short holiday. Okay. Why do you like short holiday?
Mm,
You don't like long holiday? You don't have class?
yes, because I can travel to any different place.
Okay, because you can travel to any different places. Okay, so actually, if it's long holiday, you can travel anywhere. Of course, that's quite relaxing for you than short holidays. Okay, but if your choice, you want short holiday only. Okay. Did you notice any cross-cultural differences during your trip? Like other country has different culture and the other country or Vietnam has different culture. Have you noticed that when you travel to other country?
No,
You haven't. You haven't tried. Okay. So, what are your best travel tips? What are your best travel tips?
um, what travel teach me?
Your travel tips. What are your tips when you travel? Like, don't forget your passport, be on the airport on time, bring the necessary things like charger, medicine when you go travel, like that. Those are tips when you travel. So, what do you think is the best for you?
Um, Let me think.
Go, Caroline.
My best travel tips is you should bring your medicines.
Okay, always bring your medicine. Okay, that's the best travel tips. Okay, never forget. Do you try to learn some the local languages before you travel to new country?
No, because I ever traveled to a new country.
You haven't traveled. Okay. So I know in different example, when you go here in my country, the language is different. But of course, Filipino can understand English. We can communicate English well. So, but I know when I will be in Vietnam, if I can talk Vietnamese who cannot travel, who cannot speak English, oh my God, it feels I feel so so scared when I travel there with someone who can really speak Vietnamese. Quite hard. But of course, if I can speak Vietnamese, it is very easy for me to go to your country. But I know that many Vietnamese now can speak English, right? Caroline, many?
Yes,
Okay, so many can communicate English. Unlike in Japan only few Japanese. Okay. Of all the places you visited, which would you recommend to your friends? Of all the places you visited, which one you recommend to your friends?
I recommend
Mm-hmm.
Ning. I recommend to go Ninh Bình.
Okay, it is
It's
far or near?
yes,
Is it near? Is
What
it
do you
near in
say?
your place? Is it near in your place?
No. Yeah.
It is
It's
far?
a little
Ah,
far.
it's a little far from your place.
But it's very good.
It's very good. Okay. So, is it in Hanoi or somewhere in Da Nang, near in Da Nang?
It's a um uh it's a city in
Ah,
Vietnam.
in city in Da Nang.
In Vietnam. In Vietnam.
In Vietnam. City in Vietnam. It's in Hanoi. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam, right?
I haven't tried to go Hanoi.
You haven't tried to go Hanoi. Okay, you're in Da Nang, so Da Nang is a city also. But I guess the biggest city is Ho Chi Minh.
Yes.
But the capital is Hanoi. Okay, so what should the government do to attract more tourists? If I will ask you, what the government do to attract more tourists?
What does government means?
Government, like your president in Vietnam, the politics.
I don't know the government.
Okay, you don't know? You don't know? I know because you're still young. Of course, probably if I am part of the politics in the government, I have to put a lot of tourist spots like different view, like someone you can visit to. So a lot of tourists. Okay, like the beach, beautiful resorts, beautiful restaurants. Okay, like uh, mountain view, falls, springs. I have to develop those so I can attract a lot more tourists. Okay. So Caroline, okay, teacher Anne don't have enough time. So I will see you on the next week, sorry, next week. Okay. So
Okay.
we're going to talk another thing, but I will not be using this one and also. I want to use another material for you so that you will not feel boring. So we're going to talk again for another material. Okay? Thank you so much,
Okay.
Caroline, for today for the topic that about traveling. I hope next time you have to extend or you have to spend more time on talking. So you have to talk a lot more than I. Okay? That is what teacher Anne loves to do. Okay? Thank you so much, Caroline, for today. And then hopefully I can give homework tomorrow. I want to give homework for you. It's only speaking homework. Okay? Thank you so much, Caroline.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye. Have a great
Goodbye.
and enjoy for today.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.